Hello there, I'm just going to give you a little tutorial on how to use Google Forms. Your first step, once you're in Google Drive, is to hit New, and in here you go to More, and Google Forms is the purple icon. Okay, little overview of what's going on in here. This is the form title. Okay, you got questions section. So once you have questions in and you get some responses, you can go here and look at the feedback that you've got or look at all the answers that people have filled in. Then you've got an area where you can input some of those questions that we were talking about. And then this is where you can add other media. So you can add a question, another title and a description, images, video. Okay. And you can also change your color palette here if you'd like. So this will pop up. You can pick colors or you can go in here and there are a bunch of options for you. So you just click on them. Okay. So say we wanted this guitar looking one. We could select that. And we hit select, which is right down here. Okay, so then it changed into the guitars. Okay, we're gonna go right back to the purple though. Just want something simple. So the first thing I'm gonna do is title my form. I'm going to give it a title. It's about a video. And I was doing a survey on primary students. Okay. So after I put the title in, I go down. Now I'm putting in the purpose of it. You can use this form for whatever intentions you have. Okay, mine is a survey to gather information on a specific age group. Yours could be to gather information for a party. It could be to do a survey for another reason. You could basically make a form for just about anything, and you'll see more of that in my PowerPoint or Google Slide. Okay, so after you get that title in and everything in here, click on it and it'll change to the title of the actual page or form. So here we're going to start with our first question. All you do is click on each one to begin with anyways, and I'll show you how to get into the to make more questions. Okay, so our first question is what's your name? Okay. Now we don't need multiple choice for that because people have different names, so we're going to put short answer. Okay, and people will be able to enter their name right here. Okay, so now if I want another question, I just add another box. My second question will be, what grade are you in? For this one, I think I'm going to use checkbox. Or actually multiple choice, so they can only pick one answer. Okay, multiple choice. Option 1 will be grade 1. Click on the next one for option 2, put grade 2. Click again, and you put in grade 3. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is add a video in. Okay, and up here I've already got a video link, so I'm going to grab that link, just copy it and paste it in. Okay, so that's it. Now we select that. Okay, so now our video is in there, and we can put please watch this entire video. Okay, and all the student has to do is click on it and watch it. Okay, we're going to add in another question now about this particular video. Okay, we want to know, is this video real or fake? And we'll do multiple choice again for this one. So we have yes or no. Okay. The next one we're going to do, put another question in. What made the video look real? So for this one, we're not going to use multiple choice, we'll be using check boxes because it allows the person to select multiple options. Okay, so we can put a bunch of options in here. So one thing was serious voice. Another thing we could add in is house, hippo, looked real, the lighting, okay, and you can keep adding until you're happy with what you've got. Okay, and the last one I want to show you in here is the question is, when did you realize it was fake? And with this one, we're going to create a drop-down menu. Okay, and our first option will be at the beginning. When the narrator described the house hippo, or at the end when you were told it wasn't real. Okay, so they have options. They can click on which one they most closely thought was correct, okay, or where they thought the video was definitely fake. Okay, so that's all the tools I want to show you for adding in questions. The other thing you can look at, and I'll go to a finished one to show you, is responses. So you had this question section, now we're going to go to our responses. So you can actually look in here and see a summary of the information. And there's actually bar graphs and everything for you to look at. Okay, you can actually look at an individual and see what they answered. If you want to see what a particular student or friend put in, so you know exactly what they like or where they're at with media literacy for this particular survey, you can look at that. And the last thing to look at here is viewing the response in Sheets. Okay, which is another Google app. So you can get all this information and collate it. All right, so it's great, especially if you have a lot of people, then you can really get blocks of information created just through using a form. instead of inputting it all by yourself. Okay, thanks for watching.